Hi there, my name is Brenda. I'm one of the Resene colour consultants, and today we're going to talk about how to choose the right colour for your space or your project. Understanding the space that you're working with is a great first step. Is it interior or is it exterior? Is it north facing, south facing? Is it a new build or a renovation? These fundamental questions are important to know and talk about before we even start to choose colour. What is it you're trying to achieve? What's the new look? Do you want to go bright and bold, or do you want to go pared back and soft and neutral? The colours that you choose are going to have a huge impact on the mood and the tone. If you check out our total colour system online or in store, you'll be able to see all the beautiful colours, plus tools and services we have to offer. Everything is designed to help you choose the perfect colour and to minimise any mistakes that could be made before you make the purchase. First, take a look at our colour charts and paint ranges. Resene's whites and neutrals, the Resene's fashion range, Resene paint effects, and the British standard charts. Once you know the colour that you like, ask about our drawdowns. These are A4 size screen prints. You can get them in store or order them online. And these are samples that you can put in situ to see how they're going to look. A little side note from me, if it's the exterior that you're painting, take your drawdown outside so you can see it in the true light. We also make smaller paint test patches and adhesive colour chips. And now for the fun part, test pots. Grab 2 or 3, make sure to paint them out on a large clean piece of cardboard. That'll enable you to move it around the space so you can see the colour in different light, and make sure to paint 2 coats. Lastly, another fantastic tool to create colour harmony is the colour wheel. This wheel makes colour relationships easy to see by dividing the spectrum into hues, primary, secondary and tertiary colours. Now, of course, our team can help explain how the relationships of these colours complement each other. Once you have your colours sorted, it's a matter of choosing the right paint product and how much you'll need. Be brave, have fun, and remember, if you get stuck, a Resene expert is here to help you.